Hi guys, welcome to Alphamantraining.com. So I'm a little bit tired and it's already 10 p.m. and I would like to share a Pickup Infield report, what happened tonight. So I just found two girls like my type. I would like to approach them. So the first girl was a little bit drunk, really, like she I think she used some alcohol or some drugs, because I smelled some smell from her mouth. I asked her, it is like drugs smell or it is alcohol smell, and she said, she was like looking to me, I like a little bit, to use alcohol or something. So she had really great ass. She was wearing blue jeans, and ass was looking really great. I'm talking a little bit not so loud, because like there are some people here in the bus, and it's a fucking rule, because you cannot talk loud in a bus because you interrupt other people. So I'm just keeping that rule and to not piss off other people. So this rapport, I approached here, we walked, and I tried to do same day lay with her, but what happened is like I tested here 2 times, used AMT techniques, and she didn't pass those tests. So that was really red flags that actually I cannot make same day lay with her. So I needed to cancel it, so I took her number, and that's it. So when I and my buddy went through the streets, and I didn't find any girl to approach. And then we got in a bus, and one girl was sitting, but she was 18 years old, so a little bit very little age. But I got her number. She said like she likes to watch horror movies and crime drama movies, so maybe she would like to watch a movie one night. So definitely I will call her, but it's a big percent that she will, for example, block me or will not meet in a city center. And I asked her one question: so what is your opinion about coronavirus, this quarantine time, and you need to stay at home actually? And she said like, because there was news that a lot of people became ill, and even more of them died. So she said like, I think it's very big problem, and it's much more better to stay at home. So she said that, but she was also driving in a bus. So as you see, so we are talking one but behaving in a different way. So I will call here, and maybe I will meet here in city center. My buddy, on the other hand, didn't see any girl to approach. So he actually didn't see any girl. He is a little bit shorter than me, so for him it's harder to find targets. But still, it's good that we went, and we went through streets, we got into some buses, and my buddy said like, whereas sometimes when you don't find your targets. So that was his day, he didn't find. But we recently separated, and a lot of times when he is going home, he's jumping to buses, he's finding some girls to approach, and even he did some same day lay. Where he told me one story. He just was exiting shopping mall, and a little bit dumb girl was standing in a bus stop. So he approached here. He went with bus, went from park, pull it to his home. So everything is possible, and you can do that as well. So also I'm trying now internet of this bus. So maybe connection is not really great, but write in a comment, do you hear me well, or do you see me well? Also I'm trying different phone. Also I would like that you would send me your report, how pickup is going in your city. Send me, for example, a report, how many girls you approached, what happened, how did you feel, and include some photos of your city and streets where you made those approaches. So I will show you what's happening in a bus. So as you see, it's very empty. It's actually, yeah, just one person is in a bus. Streets also empty. It's hard to find targets, but I think if you spend 3 hours a day and you go from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., during that time you can find a lot of girls. For example, my buddy, he finished his works at he finished his job at 5 p.m. so he got back to his home at 6 p.m. so he's ready to go for pickup at just 7:30 p.m. Okay, I'm jumping off. So yeah, okay, so I will try to use. Okay, so yeah, I'm continuing. Madani, Malamat. Hi, love you so much, baby. I love you too. Hi, okay. Yeah, I can show you streets, empty, but still, you can find some girls who are walking home, or they running, or they going with dogs, with cats, so you can approach them. And, recently I approached a girl near my apartment. She was going with gray leggings, like, her ass was looking really well. So I approached her and I said, I'm not sick with coronavirus, anything else. Also, I was with a mask and gloves. And she was looking at me, and she said, what the fuck is happening? Because, it was 10 p.m., very late night. But I approached her and she said, it's very strange, you look like Italian. I said, no, I'm Lithuanian. And she said, but you look like, from abroad. So I did, some dancing, some other techniques, and I pulled it here on the same day. We went to apartment, I trained here dancing. So that was awesome, and I'm thinking soon I will release Infield because I also shooted that. So as I said, it's a lot of dogs walking, see? A lot of dogs. So yeah, as you see, a girl with a dog. I said you. So even you can approach girls close to your apartments and pull them using systems. Because you need to pull instantly, because if you will get number, she probably will not answer to that number. So I'm always trying to pull, but not every time, it's success. So if I can't pull, I exchange numbers and I try to meet here next day. So see, girls walking. See? Girls walking, and it's good to approach because, they left. See? See? Yeah, walking. But this telephone is not so well at my first one. Yeah, so they went. Cool. You are not sure if you have my love. How are you feeling today, love? I'm feeling okay. I'm really feeling well because, I had really great time. I went to city center, hang out with my buddy, approached 2 girls. Didn't pull them, didn't make same delay, but exchanged contacts. It's not so great, but still it's good. Still it's good to do that. Okay, remove those cables. Okay. Yeah, so you can meet girls close to your apartments and pull them because you live 5 minutes away, and it's much more easier to pull. From city center, you need 15 minutes or 20 minutes or even 40 minutes to go with a bus to your apartment. I don't know, maybe you live in city center, so pretty much. So that's it. I wish you great night or great day. I don't know where are you right now. So good luck to you.